Hey guys, my name is John Davies and welcome to this lesson on the Dragadiddle rudiment. So what is a dragadiddle? Simply put, it is a paradiddle with a double stroke on the first note. So if we think of a paradiddle as a 4-note sequence, that first note, which is normally played as a single stroke, we are now going to interpret as a double. Paradiddle, 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 paradiddle. So something just to consider when executing the dragadiddle is that you'll notice there is an accent on the first note of the pattern. So just like in the paradiddle, we are technically executing that first note with a little bit more volume. However, we don't have to play this as a controlled stroke, for example, down tap. We can allow the double to breathe, allowing the stick to rebound off the surface. So exercise number 1, we're going to be playing our paradiddle primer in quarter notes, and we're just going to be adding our double at the beginning of each paradiddle in 1/8 notes. We're going to start this really slow at 60 beats per minute. 1 and 2, 3, 4. Guys, if you'd like a copy of the PDF, you will find a link in the description below. Okay, exercise number 2, we are playing the paradiddle component in 1/8 notes and we're putting the double in 16th notes. We are going to start at 60 beats per minute. 1E and 2 and 3E and 4 and. So guys, if you're enjoying the lesson, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And obviously, if you've got any comments or questions, just chuck them in the comment section down below. Okay, exercise number 3, we're just increasing the rate. So the paradiddle is now in 16th notes and the double is in 32nd notes. We are going to start this at 60 beats per minute. 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a. Hey guys, I'm just interrupting your lesson very quickly just to let you know that I've released my first online course. The course is an introduction to hand technique, primarily dealing with the rebound stroke. In the course we learn about grips, we learn about fulcrums, we learn about positions, we learn about essentially how to make the stick work for us. So I've been teaching for well over 20 years now, and when it comes to hand technique, this is the first thing that I teach all of my students. So the course I put together goes over the fundamentals, but primarily there's a lot of practicing videos where you can practice along with me. So if this is something of interest to you, then please just check out the link in the description below. Back to the lesson. Okay, exercise 4 is a little bit more challenging, not because of tempo, because of the subdivision. We're going to now play this through triplets. We're going to start this at 90 beats per minute. 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet. And And that's it, guys. There's 4 exercises to get you going with the Dragadiddle. I hope you've enjoyed the lesson. If you have, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Obviously, if you have any comments, questions, chuck them in the comment section down below. And I look forward to seeing you on the next lesson. Cheers.